life is a mess. A total mess. How did I even get here? I ask myself every single day exactly how. Which route did I take that was so forbidding that it brought me into this danger? How?
So trying to stretch yourself.
V, I know you're in there. Open up! I swear to God, V, if you don't open this phone the next 1 minute, I'll break it down. V, I know you're in there. Open up! V, I know you're in there. Open up! V, I know you're in there. Open up! I swear to God, V, if you don't open this phone the next 1 minute, I'll break it down. V, I know you're in there. Open up! I swear to God, V, if you don't open this phone the next 1 minute, I'll break it down.
And who's gonna fix it when you break it? Oh, what a sight.
Seriously, V. How do you live like this? Bar to bed, bed to bar. Look at this place, it's a fucking dumpster.
Stop screaming. Ugh. Why are you here?
Why am I? Oh my God. V, why do you think I'm here though? I'm freaking checking up on you. And since you fried your phone, you wouldn't even take your calls.
My phone? Where is my phone?
Okay.
I was upstairs sleeping.
Come on, V.
I have my phone.
Girl, it's been 2 months and counting. What am I even saying? It's been a whole 3 months. V, 3 months. You need to move past this already. Move past the pain, the anguish you're feeling. Girl, you are on the verge of losing your job if you don't snap out of this madness.
So what? If I lose my job, I get another one. And I never liked that job in the first place.
Okay, you get another job. That's if you haven't already killed yourself with excessive drinking, partying, and clubbing by then. Huh? Babes, he is living the best of his life as we speak. Have you been on his IG page? You are the only one taking this so serious and it is ruining your life. Yeah. I hope you didn't come back with any of those losers to this dumpster. I mean, regardless of how broken you may be, you wouldn't bring a guy to this. What are you, V? A pig? Girl, what is wrong with you? Is it the best you can make out of your life? By sleeping with anything that comes around you because of what? A man? Nah, not even a full man. One useless specimen of a man left you. Jeez, girl.
Leave it for me like that. It's my life.
V, this is the same thing you said when I tried warning you against that bastard. Where is he now? Listen, girl, I am sick and tired of being the only one who wants you to be better for yourself. You hear me?
And I am sick and tired of you coming in here acting like you're better than me. I know your type. You really think you have the perfect life. That's why you sit there pretending to care about me. Meanwhile, you fucking don't. And you know what I think you should do? I think you should grab your chip bag and get the fuck out of my house. And never you come back.
V.
You heard me? You are not my friend.
Really?
You heard me.
You know what? You finally got your wish. Now you have no friends left. Enjoy your fucking dumpster.
Get out, bitch.
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause 'cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me.
I'm ready. Where are you?
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have dealt with me, so I I'm in love.
Are you alright?
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you
Let's go
just
to my
blame
table.
me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know.
Oh, dear God.
That's a bit swollen. Don't you think you should visit the hospital?
I'm fine. Mind your business.
I was just showing concern. But since it's obvious you can take care of yourself, I think I should just let you be and mind my business.
What's this?
Water. Can't you tell?
Are you joking with me? Do I look to you like a girl that would dress up and come to the bar just to drink water?
Well, ma'am, I know you just told me that you're capable of taking care of yourself. But in this condition, I don't think you should take any other thing other than water. So water.
My ankle hurts. It's not my brain that's hurting.
Well, your ankle has got a nerve which connects to the brain, and that makes the pain valid. So you need water, not alcohol. You can thank me later.
It's the nerves of the guy.
Sorry.
Vodka, tequila, whatever you got. Whatever you have it. Thank you. More. Let me have another one. Okay, one more. One more, then I go sit down. Thank you.
Really?
Did I tell you I could hold my alcohol just fine?
This girl, you need to carry last.
Whatever that means. I'm just gonna sit here and drink as much as I want. And when I'm done, I'll walk out through that door with my head held high.
Very well then. Can I be your drink buddy for the night?
You're on. As long as we remain strangers by the end of the night.
Cheers to that. More drinks, please.
More tequila, not water.
Oh shit, at this point I give up.
I told you I'll win you.
Oh yes, tested and trusted, you're good.
Yeah.
How come you're able to hold alcohol for this long? I mean, a lot of girls can't do that.
I know, I'm a pro at this now.
A pro at drinking? Is that something you should be proud of?
Why? Because I'm a lady?
I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to sound like a douche. Alright?
No, you didn't sound like a douchebag. You sounded like a narcissistic bastard. What is wrong with you men and your stupid ego? I mean, you guys can walk around commuting nuisance here and there, but if it's a lady, it becomes a different ball game. She can even get crucified for it.
Alright, come on. I apologized already, okay? I'm sorry.
Oh, and your apology is supposed to make things better. I know guys like you. In fact, I know guys in general. You guys walk around with a lot of baggage, and we the ladies are expected to fit in. And we don't even mind fitting in, but what happens at the end of the day, it's we that get betrayed. We get our hearts broken, and then you men just leave us scarred. You don't think we're humans? You don't think we hurt? Why can't you guys understand that we are humans?
Now, why do I have a feeling that this is not just about what I said? Listen, I know we agreed to drink and remain strangers and not to ask each other personal questions. But I can't help but notice. It's not every day you see a lady, beautiful lady like this, dressed like this. Get into a club, get drunk, and then go home. You're hot. It's obvious, I can see that. Can I be the one you talk to?
Oh, why? So that I'll feel better afterwards, you imagine?
Maybe. Why don't you try? Listen, you're not the only one that's been hurt. A lot of the people you see in here are hurt too. You may not believe it. I'm equally hurt. Alright? I'm not that kind of guy that walks into a bar or club, gets high, get drunk, go back to a hotel and finds any available girl to sleep with. No, I'm not that kind of guy. But unfortunately, shit's happen. Yeah, shit does. And that shit happened to me.
You're saying you're going through stuff too?
Oh yeah. Hard to believe, but I'm going through a state.
Well, his name is Derek. And we officially broke up about 3 months ago. And no, that's not the first breakup I ever had. In fact, before I met him, I had been with other great guys, rich, well-to-do, but they were all playboys. They all just wanted a piece of me, and the moment they got it, they always disappeared. It became a pattern. I was always in the midst of a breakup situation. Not once, not twice, not thrice. It was a pattern. At some point, I began to see it as my destiny. I came up with this conclusion that I was never destined to meet good guys. But somewhere along the line, I began to dispel those negative thoughts, that foul feeling of ill luck. I figured even if I was cursed, I could break the jinx. And with that line of thought, I always had the strength to pick myself up whenever I fell. With that, I was back on my feet again, and I met Toby, one of the best men to ever walk into my life. Yes, I know. Exactly. I know he kept telling me on the phone that he's fine, but I don't believe him. He's probably saying all those just so I don't panic. I'm here. I got some stuff that I'll prepare for him. I'm gonna make sure he eats some good food, and I will make sure he takes his medication. Because you know Toby can be really scared of medicine. Girl, you know, and I always tease him with that, but he wouldn't even budge. Well, this time I'm not budging. He must take his meds. What did you call me? You're funny. I think you should get back to work before that woman bites off your head. While I get to cooking for my man and nurturing him, that's what I'm here to do, isn't that right? I'll talk to you later. Bye, girl.
Are you the new cleaner? Aren't you supposed to be here since morning? What's it by your time?
Who are you?
What sort of silly question is that?
Toby?
Where are you going to? Baby? Hello? Where are you going to? Toby.
That was so fast.
Toby, what is happening here? See, babe, I do not care to know who this lady is, but I want her out of this house this minute. I mean, what nonsense?
Toby,
babe,
are you not going to answer her?
Dennis, you're not supposed to be here. You didn't have to come.
I'm not supposed to be here?
Yes, of course.
At my boyfriend's house? My boyfriend who is presumably sick? I shouldn't be here. Why?
Boyfriend? Toby, what is she talking about?
You heard me, Auntie. Boyfriend. Toby is my boyfriend. And that makes me his girlfriend. Not his cook or cleaner.
You are not supposed to be here.
So I don't get to see your cheating face?
You didn't have to come.
Toby, you are an embarrassment. Just 4 months into our relationship and you're already cheating on me? Why?
Like, what is happening here? Wait, Toby, you're actually cheating on me.
You two slow the fuck down. Okay. First, we need to reestablish the basis of the stuff before using big words. FYI, I am not cheating on you. Yes, I'm not cheating on you. You and I knew what we're in before getting involved. There is nothing between the two of us. It was just sex, Venus, just sex!
Excuse you?
I don't understand where all this big news emotion is coming from. Where is it coming from?
Just sex, you said?
Of course!
So all the stuff you told me in the bedroom was...
Oh, I say a lot of bullshit while on bed with ladies.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you for real, Toby?
Babe, you need to believe me. Believe me, I love you. I swear to God, there is nothing happening between me and this woman. I swear. She's just some lady I started seeing a few months up when we're not together. Nothing. She's just some lady that I...
Will you shut up? Wait, Toby, you brought this lady home. You call her constantly. You even went as far as telling her that you were sick and you stand here and lie to my face. Are you taking me for a fool again? Toby.
Baby, I'm not. I swear. I love you. There is nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing between me and her. You need to understand that. Please. Babe, 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 babe.
Are you really going to choose her over me? Toby?
Now you listen and listen to me attentively. I hate it when girls don't read the handwriting on the wall. Now you get out of my house and don't come back. Do I make myself clear? Thank you.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink.
I'm here, girl. Madam, get up and eat something. Come on, V. Get up and eat something. Aren't you tired? Haven't you cried enough? Does your head not hurt?
No. My head doesn't hurt. It's my heart that's aching. My heart has been shattered into pieces.
Come on, Venus.
You know, Toby is a bastard. Toby is a wicked guy. I can't believe. I don't believe Toby would treat me this way. He had the effrontery to discard me like a piece of shit. And then he went after that girl. That girl that... I don't even know the words to use to qualify her. He chose her over me.
Venus, you've told me this 1,000,000 times. Okay? Enough with it. Enough brooding over this guy and get your acts together. Please.
4 months. It took 4 months.
Thank God it's 4 months. What about Johnson that left you for another girl after 1 year and 2 months together? Huh? V, you need to be grateful you saw this side of him on time. Huh?
I'm broken.
Girl, I know. I know.
I'm so broken.
I know. He's not worth your tears. Alright? Get up and eat something. Get up. I made you food. I've got your best fruits here. 3 apples. Okay? Babes, I'm going to... Babes, get up and eat something, please.
No.
Get up. It's okay.
My heart is broken.
know! But how long are you going to cry over this guy?
It's so hard. Leave me alone.
Listen, I'm that friend that wants the best for you. Alright? If I have to pull you up myself, I would do it. Please, you need to eat. Please. Venus. You're not going to waste my food, so just out with it. Get up. Please.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly?
It was such a long... Oh my goodness, right on time.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing? Last I checked, I still live here.
Last I checked, it's over 6 months since you slept in this house. I mean, technically, you moved out.
Technically, not exact.
Girl!
Yeah? So how was your day at work?
Girl!
Yeah?
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Oh, dear God.
So, how was your day?
Mess. I needed this.
I know.
It tasted good.
As usual.
My day was great. I assigned 2 contracts today. After 3 long hours. But you know what?
What?
After this, I'm due for a promotion.
Really? And you think you can?
Girl, it's worth a long shot. But I won't quit until I get it. I'll give it my best shot. I will.
That's my girl. Keep up the fighting spirit. That's what I'm talking about. So, V?
Yeah.
I'd like you to give me this evening, yeah, because Richie is taking me out. No, he is taking us out.
Really? What's the occasion?
V, you ask as if he never takes us out. He does, remember? It's just that he's been a little too busy these days. Yeah. Anyway, we are going clubbing. So get yourself ready to shake some ass.
What? I don't know, man. I don't know.
No.
I mean, I don't feel up to it.
No buts. Get yourself ready. Okay? Else I am bundling you there myself. We're gonna dance.
No. I think you with that vibe, club vibe, should just stay away from me. Is that why you came, really?
No, I miss you. But yeah, you're going with me to the club. So what a melon girl.
You haven't changed a bit.
No, I won't.
Still the whole troublesome.
Divine. I came here with two... No. We don't do this. It's not for you alone. I came here with 2 forks. Thank you. But you're coming with me.
She's back!
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, you told me that love is beautiful.
Where are you going?
I'm not drunk.
No.
You're drunk.
Easy. Okay, just sit.
No, that place is spinning.
Babe, maybe we should take her upstairs.
Wait.
Upstairs?
Wait.
Okay, fine.
No, I'm fine.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go.
I'm fine.
You know I gave him everything. I know. Everything.
I know, baby. I know.
So why did you do that to me?
Hold her.
Oh my god.
Let's take her upstairs.
Okay. Stop it now. Stop it.
This way.
V, please, let's go upstairs, okay?
You are not.
I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so we get
Oh my goodness, babes.
Hi, baby.
That was a lot of work.
I know, right? I can't.
I'm thirsty.
Okay, go easy a little bit. Alright, fine.
Whew, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Baby, I know you want me to go home with you.
Okay.
But I'm sorry. I can't. I need to stay back and take care of her.
He's okay. I get it. It's fine.
Thank you. You know, she acts all strong and fine, but I know she's not.
Well, I can't tell about that, but if you want me to stay over, I can stay.
Really? You will?
Yeah, I can.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you, darling.
What to do is you. When it's you, I can do anything.
I am happy. Thank you so much, okay?
You're fine.
All right, so,
So you go check up on her?
Yes, I will. And, I'll get this
Easy, girl. Easy, girl.
What?
Easy, girl.
Go away.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, you told me that love is purified.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are
Hope
you?
you slept well.
Oh, I won't sleep well without you by my side, so.
I know. Okay, why don't you go sit?
Okay.
I'll get you your coffee, alright?
You where I wanted?
Sit. I'll be right back.
Famished. Wow.
Okay. I am here. There you go, baby.
Ah, baby. All right, you I wanted, right?
Of course. Yeah.
Okay. So come here. There you go.
What?
That's my morning kiss.
Oh my god.
Oh, you can't leave me all cute like that, right?
I know.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, hey.
Good morning.
You're awake. Uh-oh.
The lights are too bright.
I know. One step at a time.
Oh, my head is banging.
Sorry. Here you go.
What happened to me?
You had a little too much to drink last night.
I did, huh?
Yeah, you did. You did. So I'm taking you to the seat. Had a little too much to drink.
Way too much.
Sit. That way. Okay. Easy.
Oh, dear God.
Here you go. You can rest your back. Yeah. Easy go.
Oh, my head.
I know. You know, I have the remedy for this hangover. Okay? I'll be right back. Baby, look after her. What?
Let's get it.
You okay? Look at you. Good. I'll be back.
Oh, dear God.
Sorry.
Oh.
Alright, girl. Here you go. Baby, excuse me. Yes. Here.
You got it already?
Yes, I do. Easy.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're right, darling. What would I ever done without you?
I wonder. Okay. You guys, have your coffee. I'll be in the kitchen. Breakfast will be ready soon. Okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Finish up. Baby, your drink. What? Are you good? I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, dear God.
Sorry. Can I help you with that?
Let me see that. What's this? What's this? Is this what I think it is? Oh my God! Oh my God! When? Don't tell me. Last night? Was it last night? Seriously? Yeah, but I was so fucked up last night.
It's okay, V.
I'm sorry. I'm genuinely sorry.
V. It's not as if I was expecting him to pop the big question right there in the club above the loud music. So it's good. I'm good.
I'm happy for you.
I know.
Congratulations, girl!
Thank you.
I'm genuinely happy for you.
Thank you.
You're the man.
You already
know that.
It's beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you, baby.
The man got to do what he got to do.
That is right. That is right. Oh my God, I need to breathe. V, let's eat. You're getting married. I am. You are getting married.
No, you said the word. It's
My friend's getting married!
It's a very, very, very dream come true.
That's right, girl. Look at those rocks.
I did that.
Yeah, you did.
I did that.
Yeah, you did.
I did that.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drunk.
I wonder if I'll still be able to be genuinely happy for people that stuff like this happens to. My belief in love is gradually growing thin. V?
Yeah.
Do you think stuff like this will ever happen to me?
Oh. You may not believe it now, but I'm sure of it. Every single girl out there has that one special person God has designed their destinies to be together. It may take time, but you will find him when the universe says so. Okay?
When? Oh. When? Because I am tired of waiting.
No.
I'm definitely tired of hoping.
No, girl. You don't have to be. God's time, they say, is the best. Believe me. I mean, he has a way of showing up when we mortals are tired of doing things our way. You would find him. Trust me. Okay? I swear, V, it's like I was a princess in my former life or something. Because, I mean, I literally did nothing.
Well, I can understand why it's like that. I mean, this family have no history of having female children. And with you about to be married as daughter-in-law, surely everyone will automatically take you to be their sister. And that should make you happy.
Did you say happy? Babes, that's an understatement. I am thrilled.
I know.
You know, I've listened to conversations about girls discussing about their will-be in-laws and all that.
Oh, yeah. Some even wish for their mother-in-law to be late.
Exactly. You're right.
Yeah.
I am an exception. Totally, totally an exception. God, whatever will happen to my mother-in-law should happen to me first.
What? Did I really hear you say that?
Yes, girl, you don't understand. This woman is so good. Her husband is not an exception either.
Well, you make it sound like you've had it easy since you've been dating that guy. I recall you've had your fair share of fights. One time, he had this crazy psychopathic girlfriend that wanted to pour acid on you. She and her friends. Remember that? Girl, that was an error.